Hello, my name is Ashley Dinsmore. This is a video explanation of problem 2 in section 7.3 of Sibylla Beckman's textbook. It is a part of a video assignment for my Mathematics for Teacher course at Bridgewater State University. So today we're looking at problem 2 in section 7.3. So first I'm going to read the question. So it says, a company mixes different amounts of grape and peach juice, but always in the ratio 3:5. So knowing that, I'm going to first write that down. So it's grape to peach juice in the ratio 3:5. So part A asks us to explain how to reason with a value of the ratio to determine how much peach juice the company should mix with the following amounts of grape juice: 100 liters, 140 liters, and G liters. So what I did first was I put these ratios into fractions. So grape juice is 3/5 and peach juice is 5/3. So one way you can do this is by making like a little picture diagram. So I wrote on the side so I could remember, we're doing 100 liters, 140 liters, and G liters. So then we need to write at the top that we are mixing 3 parts or 3 liters grape with 5 parts, also known as liters, of peach. So then what we are gonna do is we're gonna set this up how they set it up in the book. So what they did was they put it into groups. So one group equals, so right now we're looking to find the amount of peach juice we need with the grape juice. So we're looking for peach. So you do one group with blank liters because we're not sure which one we're looking at. We're looking at, the first one we'll do is 100 liters. So then we'll put that right there. 100 liters. And then we have to draw. This will be grape. Three parts to represent the 3. For the 3, and then this will be peach, it's supposed to represent the same size, but we'll pretend that these are all approximately the same. So then all you have to do is take the amount that you're looking for, which in this case we're looking for peach. So we'll take this fraction right here and write it. Looking for 5/3. We have to multiply that by the number of liters in group 1, which we know group 1 is going to be 100 liters. So it will be 5 thirds times 100, and this will give you the answer of how many liters of peach we need. So for every 100 liters of grape juice, we need 5/3 times 100 liters of peach. So then we can go ahead and do the same for the others. So you do the first, so then we're looking for 140. So you could do one group, you can use the same diagram. One group equals 140 liters, capital. And then you do the same thing that you did down here because the amounts are not changing. We're just looking at different amounts of liters. So it would be 5/3 times, again, the number of liters in group 1. And in this case, group 1 equals 140. So 5/3 times 140. And that would be your answer. So 5/3 times 140 liters of peach. So doing 5/3 times 140 liters will give you how much peach you will need for every 140 liters of grape. So the answer would be 5/3 times 140 liters of the grape is equal to how much peach is needed. Okay, and then we can do that the same for the last one. So one group equals, this is going to be G, so they're not giving us the exact amount, G liters. So we have to do the same amount for the peach, which is 5/3. So 5/3 times, instead of doing the 140, we're going to fill in G, and then we're going to do G liters. And this will give you the amount of peach you need. So for every G amount of grape liters you're going to need 5/3 times G liters of peach for that. Okay, and that's one way to do it. So that answers A. So then we go down and we have to now do part B, which is explain how to reason with a value of the ratio in another way to determine how much peach juice the company should mix with the amounts of grape juice in part A. So I also found the answer to this one in the book. It was just a different example, but you could use it the same way. So this one is, you set it up a little bit differently. So first we can do it with, for C, we'll do the diagram like we did for A in the first part. So for this one, you're looking at G, which we said at the beginning is 3/5, and we are no longer looking at P, which is 5/3. Now we're just trying to figure out G. And this is to explain how to reason with value of ratio, how to determine how much grape juice the company should mix with the following amounts of peach juice. So they're giving us peach this time instead of giving us grape. So we're going to know what peach is, but we're trying to find grape. And we're given the amounts, 72 liters, 84 liters, and P liters. So for this one, we can set up the diagram looking thing, about the same. We will do, so they're the same, we're just looking at it a little bit differently this time. So grape is still 3, and peach is still 5. And then we have to write, this shows how much we're looking at. So then when we're looking to find grape, we have to write 1 group and the amount of liters we're looking for, which in this case will be 72, or the amount of liters we're looking to mix with 72 liters of grape. And then we come down, so we'll do 3/5 of the group, so 1 group times 72 liters in 1 group, and we know that there's 72 liters in 1 group because we wrote that right here. And then this equals the number of liters of grape that we will get, and we will have to mix these numbers of liters of grapes with the 72 liters of peach that we have. So that's your answer. So it'd be 3/5 times 72 liters of. Okay, so now we find the same thing, and we're gonna find how many liters of grape we're gonna need for every, instead of 72 liters of peach this time, we're looking at 84 liters of peach. So the group is going to be 84 liters this time, just like we did above right here. So then we're going to do the same equation, so 3/5 the group times 72, or in this case 84 liters that are in group 1 equals the number of liters of grape we're going to need for 84 liters of peach. So, written simplified like the last one, you do 3/5 times 84 liters, and this will tell you how much grape you need for every 84 liters of peach. Now you can do the same thing for P. So we're looking at P liters. So in this one, do it a little bit faster. You do P, which is 3/5 time, or we'll do, sorry, I did it a little wrong. We'll do 3/5 time, 3/5 times, not 84 this time, but P. So 3/5 times P is the equals how many liters of grape you will need for every liter, for every P liters of peach you have. Okay, and that explains C. And then the next question, which is D, is asking us to so now we will go on to part D, which is basically the same as part B, but it is switched just like we did for number 2 a few minutes back. So this one says, explain how to reason with a value of the ratio and another way to determine how much grape juice the company should mix with the amounts of peach juice in part C. So this one we do for every 72 liters of peach juice, mix 3 fifths times 72 liters. And then this will give you how much grape you need. And then this is looking at the grape. So then you would do for every, so let me remind you, we're looking at 72 liters, we're looking at 84 liters, and we're looking at P liters, so we did 72. So now for every 84 liters of peach juice, mix mix 3 fifths of 84 liters, which is also known as, for both of them, you just do 3 fifths times 84 liters. It's basically the simplified way. So then for the same thing for P, for every P amount of liters of peach juice, mix 3 fifths of P liters, and this will tell you how much grape juice you need. So it's 3 fifths times P liters, and this, just like this and this, gives you the amount of grape. So this one is the amount of grape for every P liters, so we can cross that off. And that is how you do part D. Thank you.